Okay, we continue our tour from the inside this time. This is where the fan is, my WeatherTech window covers. This is the shelf that pretty much contains everything that I need inside Pinkerbell. On the shelves are little baskets that hold different items. There's a separate video on the bottom baskets that show what I cook with. This is how I tie things down to keep things from falling over while I'm driving. Keeps everything secure. Use a bungee cord. Loop it through the shelves in different baskets. On top I have a box, and inside the box I have cooking utensils, knives, cutlery, dishcloths. Everything has its place. The top drawer has stirring spoons and s'mores forks, tongs. Everything's pink. Shocker. That's my junk drawer. Everybody has to have a junk drawer, and Pinkerbell's no different. I have a separate video that shows what's in it. That's my little toaster oven. Works really good. You can fit a bagel in there, toast, warm things up. Lights. Those are the canisters that has my coffee and sugar and tea. That's my thermometer, my CO2 meter. That light I can reach from the bed. Turns on, it's really bright. Pots and pans and different Tupperware-like items to store food. My magnets. That's where I keep my essential oils. Those are plates, an outdoor light, and another video will show what's in those baskets there. And that's it.